Hey, in the last lesson we were creating layer styles, remember? Well, you can do the same with texts. In this case, we would use a tool called Text Style, which works similarly to the layer styles but apply it to texts. So, it works in the same way. How? Well, select any text object, like this title. Then go to New Text Style in the inspector and select Create New Text Style and name it. Once saved, we can apply this style to any other text object of our interface. Again, if we edit any property and press Update Text Style, the changes will be made in all the text layers with this style. As always, if you feel ready, you can stop the video here and apply text styles to the other layers by yourself. If not, stay with me and do it together. Let's save the menu's style as uppercase. So now we're going to apply this style to all the objects of the header and footer. Remember that the home menu was in bold, right? So we're going to apply it by pressing Command B, but without updating the layer style since I don't want this property to be applied to the rest. So let's move on to the description and save as description. Don't forget to apply bold to the name, and the same for the text of the button, to which we'll apply the menu style. We called it uppercase. Scroll down to work with the text on the portfolio section. For the title, we are going to create another style. It's not the same that the one above. For the description, apply description style, although we change the color. We are going to create another style for the titles of our projects, called project titles, and then apply uppercase style to the text below the titles using color gray. Apply the uppercase style also for the button, okay? Let's move on to the About Me section. For the title, we are going to use the header T, although change the alignment to the left. I'll use uppercase style for my personal bio and create a new style for the text below, which I'm going to call Text About. In the Contact Me section, I'm going to use the header T style and the description style for the text under the title. Regarding the fields, I'm going to apply the uppercase style to the labels and create a new one for the text in the fields, which I'll name Input Text. For the button and the footer, let's use the uppercase style. So guys, after applying the different text styles, go to the Text Styles menu. Well, we have a lot of them, right? Let me give you a tip to organize them. Among all these styles, there are some of them which share some characteristics, like the headers or the descriptions, which can be organized in folders. So, click on Organize Text Styles, and once they're to create a folder, we need to rename each style, inserting a pattern before the name. For instance, here let's write header / and the name of the style. Then it would be header / header 2. With this pattern, Sketch understands that they both belong to the same category, in this case, headers. Guys, go now to Insert menu, Document, and the name of your layers, in this case, the headers. As you can see, the headers or any other category you created are organized in a folder. So the same for the rest, descriptions, and so on. It's your turn now. Organize your styles so that it's easier to work with them. In the next video, we are going to talk about symbols. See you there!